guys, we're here in San Fernando, SM City, Pampanga, and we're just trying to eat right now.
This is food court in SM City, Pampanga. The time now 6:25. So many people. They finish work and eat here. Shaira order. What is this?
Sinigang.
Sinigang and this?
It's laing.
What name?
Laing from
Laing. And this also? For me? But for me it's enough only.
That's okay, it's yours.
Okay.
Magkano
And
po?
what chicken also?
It's in inasal.
Inasal. Chicken inasal. Okay, I will start.
290.
290. Oh, this is chicken for me. Okay, I can hold Shaira, not need.
Ay, it's so hot. Kala mo na.
Hot? Okay. This is soup, yes? Hi everyone, now we in the Sam Pampanga, Shaira already said, and we now order different foods before we not order.
Yes, we not order some, what name? Bulalo, the big bulalo.
This is bulalo?
Yes, bulalo soup only.
Only bulalo soup.
And this is one is sour soup. It's sinigang with meat. It's pork. And this is a taro lips. Taro lips.
What leaves?
Yes, it's lips. It's a laing, they call it. So it's most famous also in Bicol, the laing. It's spicy a little bit. It's okay for me. And we also order some rice and it's also some chicken inasal. So it's for 2 person already. It's so big. And also I bought this t-shirt for 150 and because it's so cold I forgot my jacket.
Maybe microphone need to here like this.
No, it's okay. I can.
No, because microphone here need.
No,
Okay.
I already talked before. I can see the
Okay.
sticker.
Yes, because we not expected we're going to eat in the same city Pampanga, but here cold, little bit cold. Only in food court not so cold. It's good in food court because food court is, take a look, it's in the second floor. Second floor. And Shaira said, oh, very cold. That's why we going to shop inside where it's SM Pampanga. First shop, we go to first shop. And Shaira choose good t-shirt, not t-shirt, t-shirt long sleeve.
Long sleeve.
Long sleeve t-shirt. It's good looking also.
Okay, so can we eat already?
Yes, yes.
Because I'm really stressed and
Shaira stress from the Korean guy. Maybe you know about Korean guy. He, after this situation, Shaira stressed. She had depression and she been in hospital already. And the hospital give to her medicine. You win? Oh, so many. How many tokens?
no, 1,000 letter before.
About 1,000? Oh, so good.
Kaya, may serye dyan pa.
It's the tokens, yes?
Yes. Token, you can remove it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, again win.
It's enough because we won 300 pesos more.
Keep going. Fantastic. Last 10 seconds. You're so great. Please don't fail.
Tired.
Yes. I can sing also one.
Song for the broken hearted. Already parted. And I'm gonna be just to beat it down. Gonna keep my voice and shout out it loud. It's my life, it's now or never. 'Cause I'm gonna live forever. And I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Nothing's gonna turn it away. And I just wanna live when I'm alive. 'Cause it's my life.
I hate this one. Ay! Uy! Only one more. Okay, take it already. Ay! Ang ganda!
Okay, stop. Yes, not need.
Ay!
Not need.
Wait. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.